No, why did you go away?
No, take a picture.
Hello. Just did Big Thunder Mountain Railroad for the second time, and
You can't say it correctly.
What did I say?
No, you want to say motherfucking rainbow.
Yeah, I was very close to say that, but I didn't want to YouTube so they heard that. But that was Fast Pass number 6 of the day, I think. No, number 5. Number 5, number 6.
No, we already did number 5.
Yeah, this was number 6 then.
No, it was number 7. Aladdin wasn't 6.
No.
Aladdin was 5.
Yeah. This was number 6 of the day. We just booked number 7, so we are gonna do the Little Mermaid again because Jonah loved the ride. No, she did not. Sarah loved the ride.
Yes.
Yes. Jessica.
I loved it.
Yeah, you're the one who wants to do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So cute.
To the Haunted Mansion, but we haven't found any fast pass for that yet. We'll see later. But if not, I will stand in line.
And we'll go back to the hotel and relax. It's our last day.
And Älskling want to relax.
Back to Sweden. We're going back to work. We're going back to. Jonah, stop it.
Oh, you're so.
Reality.
Yeah, I told her too. I get sad when you say that.
We
Let
go
go
back
off.
to the adult life when we need to work.
No, I don't like it. Mickey shaped waffle is here. For some reason, it's upside down. It wasn't when I started. Someone spun it around. Look at that. Jonah?
Yes.
Dig in.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feelings draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Sparking sing that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take
Having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue,